Alright, here it is. It's been charging just under a little 2 hours. Not exactly 2 hours, but almost. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit. You fucking kidding me. See, that's how you can tell something's wrong with this damn battery. Because I knew something was wrong because the Interstate battery I had before was full. Shit. Damn. Here we go again. Wow. This is gonna take forever. One more time. Yeah. Alright, here it is the next day. And it's been charging for about 16 hours straight. And I'm 90% positive it's not gonna work. Not because this charger sucks. It's at 10 amps. And it charged for 16 hours. And that should be good enough. But the battery sucks. That's nice and 14 volts. That's 14 volts. Exactly what I thought. Alright, that's what I thought. I had to jump start it. Alright, let me hook these up. Now it's hooked up. This is the same exact battery from yesterday, the Interstate battery. Yesterday it could barely start this boat because that battery was drained so badly. Lawnmower had about 14 volts, and it outputs about like 9 amps. This charger puts out 12 volts, 10 amps, and that battery puts out as much as it needs, maybe 400. I don't know, but yeah. Give it a second. Alright, I'm gonna give it a second. Alright, here we go. Oh, shit. One more time. Alright, give it a second. It ignited but didn't fire up. Alright, here we go again. Alright, give it another second. It's not the new battery. The new battery is actually really good. Alright, here we go again. Damn. So there's a tip. Don't charge a battery that can't hold a charge, or the one with the dead battery, but charge the one that already does have power. This is already full, but I charged it some more and it jump started this boat, this 5.7 Mercury Mercruiser, and there you have it. Interstate batteries are pretty good. Here we go again. Well, there you have it.